Welcome. Today we are going to look up to conditionals on Python, how to use them, and we're going to exercise if a number is odd or even. We know that a number is odd or even when that number divided by 2 has a remainder of 0. And let's say x divided by 2 has got a remainder of 0. That's what shows us if a number is odd or is an even. And then we have to come up with the conditionals. Then it should be if this number this boolean is satisfied, then should return, okay, the computer should print even, okay. Let's say here otherwise, else, the computer should print okay, else computer should print the number is odd, okay. And this code is not going to work because we don't have the value of x. What's x actually? We don't have, and the x is the value in which the user will put. Let's say x is equal to input what is the value of x. What's the value of x? As we expect x to be an integer, we have to put here integer is a number, not a float. Put here x, and then if this is satisfied, should print else, otherwise should print it's an odd number, okay. Okay, if we run this program, we'll see we have an error at line 1, indentation error, unexpected indent. Let's look up what's going on here. We close here, integer input, what's the value of x. Okay, let's see now, it's a variable x. What's going on? Okay, what's the value of x2 even? Let's run again. What's the value of x? Let's put 7. It's an odd number, okay. However, this code here is a code which will not run in any project, okay. Will run in my computer. You can do it at your home, in your computer, in your Python or PyCharm or any working environment. You will get an answer. But if you want to incorporate the same program or the same code in a project, it will not run. What we should here now is to create a function. Let's define a main function, and then let's call it at the end. We call that function, and then let's create an if function. It should be if is even of x, okay, should print x is even, okay. Okay, can print just even, or can print even. We can do it like this, okay. Is we put f here. Okay, can do like this. Should print x is even. Otherwise, let's say else should print x is odd. Okay, print x is odd, and we get rid of all of these. We'll get rid of all of this, and should be joke. Okay, print. Okay, it should be good. However, this program will not run because our is even function was not defined yet, and if we want to define it, we have to put here we have to define is even. Let's define is even. Our function is even is x divided by 2 should be a return of 0. Let's put here n, which it can be for confusing, and let's have more even for the computer as well. It can be a confusing statement, and then should return true, else should return false. May. Okay, if we run our program, we have an expected error, syntax error. If n expected 2 points, okay, so we have our bug, our errors here, we expect 2 points here. Okay, if we run it again, what's the value of x? 6 is even. That's our answer. 6 is even. Again, what's the value of x? Let's put 9. Okay, 9, and it returns 9 is odd. Okay, so that's our conditionals and how to find if a number is odd or the same number is an even number. But if you can see here, that's our Boolean expression, and we are actually wasting our lines in the code. We can make all of this in the same line. As we know, that's a Boolean expression. A Boolean expression always returns true or false. So in that way, we can actually return here. Let's return if no, let's return true. A Boolean expression, the if should disappear. If we return true only, a Boolean expression. Okay, and we know that Boolean expression only returns true or false, and then we can delete this thing. Return even return only true, and then we can delete this. With that, will return true or false. If it is true, we return even. If it is false, as Boolean expression, we will return false. If we run our program, we'll get the same answer. Let's put 2. Okay, let's exaggerate on our number. Let's put the and it's even. Okay, so that's our program to understand if a number is even or an odd number. Thank you.